guys, welcome to the Mixed Maker, and today I'm going to show you how to install the toothpaste dispenser. I have already placed it on my wall. I have got one what we say sellotape type something through which I have pasted this, and here is the box in which I have got it. So I am just gonna I'll show you how to fix it in this. Okay. First we need to just take the upper layer out like this. Then here we should just take this one out like this. Yes, like this, and then even this. And now we are going to we should fix it in this like this. And now I have fixed it, and just place it in like this. Just press it, and this one also like this. Put it here, and this one like this. And it's so simple. Here, and this one here like this. And wait, I have done it reverse. Sorry guys. Like this, it should be like this. Yeah. And here it is ready, and I'll just show you. It will come out like, just press it here, and now first time it will be like this in the starting, and when you start using it, then it will come in a nice manner. That's it guys. Hope you like the video, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you guys.